Can you think of a day in your life which goes without problem solving? Answer to this question is, of course, no. In our life, we are bound to solve problems in our day to day activity, such as purchasing something from a store and making payments, depositing fee in school, or withdrawing money from a bank account. All these activities involve some kind of problem solving. It can be said that whatever activity a human being or a machine do for achieving a specified objective, uh, it comes under problem solving. Okay, so to make it clearer, let us hear some other examples. Okay, so example number one is if you are watching, imagine this, that if you are watching a news channel on your television and you want to change the channel to sports channel, you need to do something. Okay, what do you need to do? You have to move to that channel by pressing that channel number on your remote. Okay, so that is a kind of problem solving. Okay, so the problem is you want to change the channel, and there's a series of steps that you need to do for the channel to uh, change into sports channel. Okay, next example number two. One Monday morning, a student is ready to go to school, but yet he or she has not picked up those books and copies which are required as per timetable, meaning to say, she or he has to pick up those copies and books. Okay, before he or she can go to school. So here, picking up books and copies as per timetable is a kind of problem solving. Okay, so for the student to go to school, okay, there's a prerequisite which is, or which are, uh, picking and securing the copies and books. Example number three. If someone asks to you, what time what is time now? What is time now? Or what time is it? Okay. So, seeing time in your watch and telling him or her is also a kind of problem solving. Why? Because before you can say or tell him or her what time it is, okay, there's a process that you have to follow. What is it? You have to look for the time on your watch and identify the time and then say it to him or her. Okay, so that is also a problem solving. Next is example number four. Say for example is some students in your class plan to go in picnic and decided to share the expenses among them. Okay, so calculating total expenses and the amount an individual have to give for picnic is also a kind of problem solving. Okay? Kasi, kukompute mo kung magkano yung kaya ninyong or magkano yung budget ninyo na maiipon. And then, magkano yung budget ng isang tao sa bawat or magkano yung budget ng bawat isang tao para doon sa uh, chip in ninyo sa pagkain. Okay? So, those are samples. Now, broadly, we can say that problem is a kind of barrier to achieve something and problem solving is a process to get that barrier removed by performing some sequence. Okay? So, these are sequence of activities, okay, are necessary to mention that all the problems in the world cannot be solved. Okay? But there are some problems which have no solution. Okay? Sabi nga natin, no? Hindi lahat ng problems. Okay? So, and these problems are called open problems. Okay? Yung mga hindi masagot. Okay? So, if you can solve a given problem, then you can also write an algorithm for it. Okay? In the next section, we will learn what is an algorithm. Okay? So, that's it.